This isn't just another flying car concept. This is a machine built to actually replace helicopters. Meet the Cavarite X7, developed by Horizon Aircraft. At first glance, it looks like a sleek private jet, but what it can do is on another level. It takes off vertically like a helicopter, flies like a high-speed airplane, and covers serious distance without the usual electric limitations. That combination alone puts it in a completely different league. The real magic is in its patented fan-in-wing technology. During takeoff, panels on the wings open up to reveal 12 powerful electric lift fans, allowing it to rise straight up from tight spaces like helipads or even compact landing zones. But once it's airborne, those panels close, transforming the aircraft into a clean, aerodynamic, fixed-wing plane. That shift is critical, because instead of constantly burning energy to stay in the air like a helicopter, it uses its wings for lift, making it far more efficient, quieter, and dramatically faster. And here's where most eVTOLs fall short, but the X7 doesn't. Instead of relying only on batteries, it uses a hybrid electric system powered by a Pratt& Whitney turboprop engine acting as an onboard generator. That means it can recharge itself mid-flight while powering the electric fans. The result? A massive 500-mile range and a top speed of 280 miles per hour. That's not urban transport, that's full regional capability. Think city-to-city flights without stopping, without charging, and without the delays of traditional aviation. Inside, it's designed to carry one pilot and 6 passengers in a spacious, premium cabin with more room than most SUVs. This isn't just about luxury, though. It's about utility. The X7 is built to handle real-world missions like emergency medical evacuations, disaster response, and even specialized military operations. Its lower noise and reduced heat signature make it far more practical and, in some cases, safer than traditional helicopters in sensitive environments. Here's the bottom line. Most eVTOLs are trying to solve short-distance urban travel. The Cavarite X7 is solving a much bigger problem: fast, efficient, and flexible regional air mobility. It doesn't depend on future battery breakthroughs or massive charging infrastructure. It works with what's available right now and pushes it further. This isn't a concept trying to impress you. It's a system designed to actually operate in the real world.